Here is a quick comparison between Coolify and CloudPanel. Coolify is actually accessible to Google, Safari, or Chrome. And as you can see, it is a self-hosting with superpowers wherein it is an AI open source that you can just go ahead and use. You can see that there is already a screenshots of its sample dashboard. On the other hand, CloudPanel is also accessible on Safari, Chrome, and Google. It is also a free hosting control panel, which is actually a free software to configure and manage a server with an obsessive focus on simplicity and run static website, PHP, Node.js, reverse proxies, and other stuffs. You can go ahead and have an easy to start. There is also an installation, and you can go ahead and create new sites with them. Now here's a table for a concise comparison. For the feature, Coolify is architecture and stack with Docker container base and supports multiple languages, while CloudPanel is an LEMP stack. For ease of use versus flexibility, Coolify is high flexibility while CloudPanel is a simple setup management. For the best use case, Coolify is teams needing multi-tech support, but CloudPanel need a best PHP.